Right, everybody, we have the watercolour stage coming up now, and before we do that, I'd like to explain a few things about the materials that I'm going to be using for you today with this workshop of the ranch at Tancaverde. So let me show you the brushes first of all. I've got a range of brushes, the same ones that I always use, but just to remind you, I've got huge, big, massive, giant flats, got medium flats, and we've got kind of baby flat. These are great for kind of washes of colour. And then I've got big rigger and I've got two small riggers. So that's about a number 3 and they're zeros, okay? And then these are the flats. And I'm going to use a combination of all of these brushes. The riggers are great for drawing, the flats are obviously big expanses of colour. These are the paints that I'm going to be using. They're all kind of Winsor & Newton, okay? Really well used. These guys come with me all over. The colours for the ranch are as follows. We're going to use two blues. We're going to use a warm blue and a cold blue. So the warm blue is the ultramarine and then cerulean is the cold blue. We're going to use cobalt turquoise also because there's lots of cobalt turquoise I'm seeing in the tree. Burnt sienna and raw umber. Now let me kind of explain the colours for you. We've obviously got 3 coolish colours and we've got 2 warm colours. We've got a nice balance in terms of temperature. We can also, by using the pigments and using the water, we can get a great range of tone as well. So ultramarine and burnt sienna are complementaries, which means they're opposite sides of the colour wheel. So when they mix together with a little bit of white, we can really neutralise things and get some wonderful grey values in the corrugated iron roof of the ranch. The brown and the umber obviously will be great for the tree. The cobalt turquoise mixing perhaps with the raw umber, that'll give us some nice kind of green values, but I don't want to do too much green on this. The cobalt turquoise will be fine, but I don't want it to be too kind of greeny because there's lots of green in other kind of workshops that we're doing with this Wild West series for you. So these are the colours that are going to come out to play. They play nicely when we use the water, and it's all about the use of water. So as you're watching this demonstration, watch how many times I'm dipping the brush just in the water and using that water to push it around the surface and have fun.